stay out of its way. So for that kind of thing, bend up because you're using the G string in conjunction with the B. But for this kind of lick, it's the G and the D strings. I'm bending down, just so the string never collides with the other string that I'm likely to use. There's one other thing, I reckon. In terms of vibrato, I think it sounds different. I think our hands are naturally good at doing that. I think we evolved opposable digits and such like so we can pick things up. Our hands are generally stronger at squeezing, because that's a more useful tool in survival terms than being able to open your hand with great strength. That's not going to help you protect your species. That's really what a hand is designed to do. In bending terms, that bending down towards your palm, it's easier to get physical like that. So I'm thinking of the Allman Brothers, Larry Lamb vibrato. It's really hard to get that going up. We have an Angus fan somewhere, don't we? There's a guy who can make the up bend sound like he's bending down. But they definitely have a different sound. That's something everyone should probably learn about their technique. How aggressive can I make this vibrato or bend note sound? Bending up and bending down. Learn which strings work, which fingers work. Make a mental note of which ones actually sound good. I think the pre-bend is a big part of it. You've probably seen a lot of headbanger type players doing it the easy way. But you can kind of fake it on a grown-up's guitar as well. It's almost like a grace note. You can slide into the note, or unbend into the note. Almost has an Indian vibe to it, but nothing wrong with that. We touched on that in the minor blues, squeezing the third slightly sharp. Now you can squeeze it a whole semitone sharp. And that's coming all the way up. And again, the speed of the bend kind of determines the mood of that note. Whether it's kind of filthy sounding. Inflection at the start of the note. The nice thing about that is that note sounds really good when the four chord comes along. You might have